I need you to listen to me. Something really bad happened. You remember Louis Fergoli from high school? I went to his apartment. But when I showed up... Louis?
No! No! Get away from me! What?
He was smiling at me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Skye Riley. You are in the middle of a big world tour.
You okay?
I keep seeing this face everywhere.
This thing is a parasite. You witnessed a death. Now it's latched onto you.
911, what's your emergency?
I've traced a string of deaths to you. Nobody has survived longer than a week.
Skye, pull it together and get back out there.
No, I will not let this thing use me. How do we stop it?
We need to kill you first.
What?
We have to end it!
No matter what, you're not in control! I am! I need to stop it, but I don't know how.